Today we had the chance to do some 3D measurements with Rick van der Hurk, who is a professional baseball player in Japan. And for us, a great opportunity to measure one of the top pitchers of the Netherlands.
If it's done with that, you can check also like the kind of a plane, like where the arm falls.
Today we measured kinematic motion of a pitcher and its ground reaction force. So basically the principle is, you see this camera is able to film in 3D the position of the markers that we can tape on the pitcher. So we tape it on anatomical positions, and then with that we can compute the position of all these anatomical points in space and then get the joint angles, joint angular velocity. And based on the ground reaction force that we measure with an equipped pitching mount, we can also determine the loads in the joints. The dots is just the raw data, so the data we measure directly from the camera. Then we process all this. We process also the ground reaction force. And if you look here, you can see the outputs of the measurements. So here you see the push-off and then the brake. It goes quite fast. And then with that, we synchronize them and we can merge all the data together and make all kind of analysis.
So one of the things you saw us do today was we gave feedback on this motion. So we gave feedback on the separation. And so we measured it, and directly on the screen he could see how he executed his motion. Well, this actually doesn't need to be measured with a really complicated measurement tool, but can be achieved quite easily. So the aim of the project is to get this scientific knowledge out of our laboratory and onto the field. So and then every coach can use a simple tool to teach their pupils to throw safe and really hard.
I think it's going to benefit my training, the way I train, and also my evolution as a pitcher.